I think this is a good start, actually. There is a power in suffering together with the brothers and sisters, right?
Quite intriguing. I mean, it's quite fun to join the group. To me, it's most important to connect with the cohort, but also with the MTU stuff. So I think it's most intriguing to get to know each other.
I was so worried about doing these activities. It seems to be difficult, but after I tried some games, my team members always support me and guide me a lot, so I really enjoyed it.
I'm okay with climbing up, but then when the people down here just say, okay, just slowly let go. I was like, nope, that's not an option for me. And then I tried to climb down, and they were like, no, you can't climb down. It was like, wow, this is gonna be very tough.
The most appropriate word will be exhausted, but I would say I'm like excited. I want to get to know as many people as possible because we get to study in different groups once the trimester starts, right? So I want to get to know every one of them, especially the friends from the other group.
I think I pushed myself when I thought I couldn't, and I was like, okay, you know what, let me just give it a shot, because if you don't participate, like, they don't get points. Let me just try. I tried. So yeah, I think trying was something that low bar, but yeah, I'd probably say coming from a person who's not that athletic, I tried.
Along this 1 year, we're gonna struggle together. Like I said, we can know our own strength, and then we can divide jobs, right? Divide difficulties together, and then we can champion ourselves towards the end.